Okay, so this is quite a complicated question because there's two ratios and they're talking about slightly different things. We're also given an amount of one of the sides of the ratio, or one of the sides of one of the ratios, and we're asked for the amount of the first side of the ratio. So it's all a little bit complicated. But the way I'd like to start these things off is by just writing down what I know from the question. So we've got football, rugby, and we've got tennis. So football to rugby is 4-3, and rugby to tennis is 6-13. So these two ratios here are kind of incompatible at the moment. Got this one here, which is linking the football and the rugby, and we've got this one here which is linking the rugby and the tennis. What I'd like to be able to do is kind of like put the two together and make just one ratio. So if you notice from the one I've put around a blue square or blue rectangle round, we've got the rugby as 3 parts of that, but in the green one the rugby is 6 parts of that. So what if I times both of these by 2? If I times both of them by 2, I get 8 to 6, and that actually matches the other ratio. So what I can then do, because it's the same parts of rugby, I can then say that it's 13 parts tennis. Okay, so all I'm interested in here is matching these two up to make these both the same. So I times the one in blue by 2 and it made it exactly the same. Now it says that 39 students picked tennis, so I need to find some way of getting the tennis to be 39. Well, that's going to be just simply timesing it by 3. And if I times that one by 3, I've got to times this one by 3, and I've got to times this one by 3. So 6 times 3 will be 18. And 8 times 3 will be 24. So we've already answered the question, because if there's 39 tennis, there's going to be 24 football. This is not the easiest question, or ratio question out there, but if you just try and link the two ratios together, then it will start to make sense and it will start to become a lot easier.